Hi guys, how you doing? My name is Bryan Garces. I am your video strategist and video consultant with Garces Bros Studios. And we have created a space that we want to share with you guys. It's called UpNext. It's a community where you grow your content without getting burnt out, but you also make friends and teams and connections along the way that will help you grow even more your business. So I have a slideshow here that is going to explain UpNext. I'm going to go through it with my notes and also going to be interacting with you at the same time. So that way I don't forget anything or I don't miss anything out from UpNext. So that way it's clear, all right? So basically it's a little bit of what to do and not to do on the community, all right? Or in the community, especially for those people that want me to be grammatically correct. So anyways, here we go. So UpNext, what is it? UpNext is a room, a community, a shared space, right? Where you can start building in real time your ideas, your offers, your systems, your skills. So treat this like a workshop so you'll grow faster. You know, it's a shared build space. What UpNext is not, all right? It's not a place for you to lurk. It's not a place for you to be exploiting people. The idea is to create good relationships, be relatable, right? If you treat this like a social media post, you will stall. But if you treat it like a workshop, you will grow. So the goal here is participation and progress, not scrolling. What's the core mindset of UpNext? I've seen that the fastest growing members don't wait to be ready. They move first. So make sure to move quicker, right? Show your work, ask clear questions. So post your draft, right? Help others. Momentum beats perfection. How does growth happen on here? Well, people notice effort fast here. So if you want support, clarity, or collaboration, make your progress visible. So even the smallest steps count. This is one of my favorite slides, is do it now. Before you feel ready, just post it, all right? Post idea, your drafts, question, and experiments. This is not about looking smart, right? It's about moving forward. So share your progress, not perfection. Again, start now instead of waiting. Maybe your unfinished idea can be inspiration for somebody tomorrow. Who knows? But start doing. Successful people ask better questions, and as a result, they get better answers. And that is so freaking true to this day. All right. So instead of asking a question like, how do I grow? That's very vague. Don't do that. All right. Replace it with something more specific. Right. So here's what I tried. Where's the gap? Or something like that. Or maybe what feels unclear in this offer? If you ask specific questions, you attract real answers. So also add context. Don't be just like, hey guys, this is what no, explain it. Go deep, show your failure. So why have you tried? What happened? Give it an origin to your problem. This is a crowdsourcing, problem-solving place. There's other professionals in here, right, that can help you through this. So give it a little bit of origin. Let them identify with you. Do that. It's going to help you grow in here. Build in public, all right? Yes, there's things out there that says be careful how you show your work and stuff like that. But I think if you share your wins and your misses, I think you're going to do better in here, right? So share lessons and your adjustments, right? So people don't trust perfection. You being perfect is not going to look good. In here, if you see me right now doing this, I told you that I'm doing a slideshow and having my notes open because I don't want to miss anything. I'm not perfect, because if I just do this out of my mind, I can do it. I can actually have a teleprompter here, but you're going to think, oh, he's all this, all that. No, this is just me explaining something awesome that we're building, and we want you to be part of it, right? And we're shipping as we're going. We're not waiting for it to be perfect. So when you document your process, you build credibility without selling. People trust the process. So let's build in public, all right? Oh, this is the best part. This is the part that I love. You cannot grow in here if you don't interact or you engage. Engage like a teammate, all right? Comment with insight, share experience, ask follow-up questions. So comments matter more than posts, right? The post is there. You can create your own post, but if it doesn't have value, man, what is that? Be posting good stuff in here, problems, okay, that you want to see solved, or things that you want to see your clients to see better off you. You can ask these questions in here. So support others with consistency and your name will stick, you know. This is where the relationship forms. Do this, all right? What are the unwritten rules? So let's know the rules, okay? Don't pitch on day one. Nobody likes to be sold to. Don't do that, okay? It's like you're going to a networking event and out of nowhere in the networking event, you say, oh, I do this, this, and that, instead of you actually creating a nice relationship with that person. Yeah, you can be honest. You can say, oh yeah, this is gonna be more of a transactional relationship, and that's okay. But don't be doing stuff without context, okay? Don't be doing that. Don't self-promote without context. Do not do things without context, okay? Be clear, all right? Don't post and disappear. Don't do that. That's not gonna work for you. Because UPNex runs on trust, all right? Selling too early will break it. So give value first, stay visible, follow through. That's the idea. How do we win in here? Because everybody likes winning. I like winning. So the members that help others apply feedback, reports back with results, and stay consistent, those are the members that will get noticed and opportunities will follow because of reliability. See, that's the idea. So ask yourself weekly, when you're part of this, when you're out there, wherever you're creating content, am I contributing or am I consuming? Think about that. How do we level up? How do we get that one up? All right. Well, good behavior gets rewarded in here. UPNex has a level meter, all right, or metric. If you see it, it's in there. The more you level up, the more perks that you get, right? You unlock also courses and stuff like that, but you also become part of you can be part of the leadership team the more you level up as well. So how do you level up? Help others, staying consistent, and applying feedback. That behavior unlocks the perks. So when you show up the right way, you get noticed, all right? We will notice you all the way. So again, recognition, visibility, all right? Awesome. So talking about recognition, all right? We highlight the people who move, not just the loud voices, real progress, right? If you're building in public and helping others, the community will know your name. We will put you on blast. Small or big win, we will put you on blast. We love doing that in our community. If you're doing something awesome, all right, but you also been helping people and you've been consistent, heck yeah, we're gonna put you on blast. Why not? You have earned it. You will be rewarded. So that is leadership, and that's how we take care of our members. Is when leadership really cares and we see you doing great things. We love to see results. We love to see consistency and contribution. This is another great one that I enjoy the most is sponsorship. In sponsorship, you can actually, you get recognition for your company. UPNex, we love to see our members grow. So one of the things that you can do is step up and be a sponsor. So that you will do while supporting the community that you're part of, but you also get recognition for your company, right? And that's the idea. This is where you talk about your company. We have a small meet and greet. We have some food, but you go on blast and you talk about what you do, what the services that you provide, why you're the best at what you're providing, and we talk about your company. I think that's one of the best things that I have seen that I want to implement here, which I already am implementing. So talk to me about that later if you want to sponsor an event. All right. So this is Myron Golden. I like Myron Golden. He's pretty freaking cool. And the stuff that he talks about and some of the stuff that he talks about is actually easily applicable to your business. You just got to do it, right? Stay consistency. So with this in mind, we will have members from the community or other places that are building it at scale or have already done this work and is already working, and we want to bring them as guest speakers, as people that will give a workshop. But these workshops also will be paid, right? Because we got to pay for these people's time and their value that they're bringing and the food as well. So this is where we help you think bigger, right? Move smarter and avoid mistakes. This is what we're creating here. So we will have business owners, operators, creatives, strategists, people building at scale, right? So you're just not learning from your peers. We're bringing leaders who already have done the work. Online and in-person community, right? So we'll have live events like we talked about, paid workshops, in-person meetups, and an online hub that stays active. That's the idea here. This is not staying digital forever. The online part keeps us, together, keeps us connected, but in the in-person creates that deeper connection and it takes it further. That's what we want here. So we are building real relationships. Meetup, just like the application, we'll be meeting once a month. We actually have one already in place in the community, which is every third Sunday, we'll have Coffee Sunday. I think it's at 10 a.m. Don't quote me, I gotta go check again. But it's at 10 a.m. and we just here to talk shop. We just chill and just have either a Google Meet or Zoom reunion, and we just come here, connect, real faces, real talk, right? So we slow it down. That's basically once third Sunday of the month, we slow it down. You'll see our faces, we talk openly, we can connect beyond the post, all right? This is what matters, all right? Why does this matter, all right? Well, in here, people can grow faster. That's why it matters, and they feel seen, all right? When people feel recognized, they stay consistent. When they stay consistent, they grow, right? So consistency will drive results. So UpNex is designed to be that rewarding loop for everybody. So what's the game plan? If you're new here, this is your first 7-day game plan, all right? And if you're not new here, you haven't done this, please engage with the community and do this, please. So day 1, introduce yourself, right? With intent, right? Day 2, comment on 3 posts with substance. Day 3, share. Day 4, do apply all this stuff, right? Post on day 5, what changed? Day 6, help somebody. And day 7, reflect publicly. If you do this once, people will notice you. If you repeat it, people will trust you. This is the simplest path, all right, that we can do for new members. Do this, be consistent so you can get recognized as a contributor, all right? Especially if you want to level up. All right, my final closing statement, and I'll let you guys go and enjoy the community. If you contribute, you will be seen. If you build in public, if you support others, UpNex will support you back. This is a community you grow into. So welcome to UpNex. Thank you for being here. I see you in the community. I want to see you in person, and I'm happy to meet you. My name is Bryan Garces, out.